Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. So I'm back after a 1 week hiatus. I went on a trip to a beach, as you can already see in my last vlog. So that's why I couldn't make any videos and I'm a little late to do this. But I'm going to react to the music videos from the recently released Bollywood trailers. So the first one is Hile Toot Gayi from Indu Ki Jawani. It stars Kiara Advani and Aditya Seal, and the music is by Badshah, lyrics are by Badshah, and the singers are Badshah and Astha Gill. So the Buzz duo are back again. So let's react to this. Okay, I have already watched the trailer. Sorry, this song already started. Okay, so I have already watched the trailer for Indu Ki Jawani. Yes, I watched it by mistake. I was not planning on it, but I did watch it. So I'm directly going to jump to the music videos here. So I didn't really enjoy the trailer that much. It was funny in bits and parts, but I'm expecting some good music. So let's see the first song, Sawan Mein Lag Gayi Aag, which was actually not Sawan Mein Lag Gayi Aag, it's the rehashed version. There were two versions, this one and Ginni With Sunny. So I'm going to listen to this recently released song and let's see what the song has to offer us. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
छोटी छोटी बातों पर मैं रोती नहीं वैसे, बट कल ही की थी शॉपिंग, मैंने खर्चे थे पैसे। छोटी छोटी बातों पर मैं रोती नहीं वैसे, बट कल ही की थी शॉपिंग, मैंने खर्चे थे पैसे। बीट हुई जब ड्रॉप तो बेबी नाची मैं ऐसे, यही लाइट टूट गई।
लेना तू मॉल के अंदर से, तेरा इंस्टाग्राम है फेमस, तेरा स्वैगर अप टू डेट, बेबी तू करती है जो बाकी दुनिया करती है। बाकी दुनिया हो गई चली से सड़ के, डीजे से अपना गाना लगवाती लड़ के, और चक्के बेबी नाच लेना टेबल पे तू चढ़ के।
यही लाइट टूट गई, यही लाइट टूट गई।
Aditya Seal is a great dancer, by the way. Oh, sorry, such a good-looking guy.
फेंक तो लंबी लंबी है, ये आदत तेरी गंदी है। एक जोड़ी ही ले दिलवा दे, दिक्कत में तेरी बंदी है। कहता रानी बना दूंगा, एक बारी ना कर दे, ले जाऊंगा मैं तुझको तेरे घर से बता करके। एक रेड बॉटम का जोड़ा तो दिलवा दो जा करके। यही लाइट टूट गई, यही लाइट टूट गई, यही लाइट टूट गई, यही लाइट टूट गई।
I like the beats and the music. So the rap portion sounded like Rona was just lip syncing it and Badshah was singing it. Like it was definitely his voice. So yeah, the song was little mellower than I thought it would be. It's enjoyable. I will not say I didn't like the song. I did enjoy the song for what it was. I liked the choreography. It was a very toned down version. Like it's not very over the top, but at the same time it was just clear. It was crisp, clear, and I liked what they did with the choreography. I like this step, Hile Toot Gayi and then Hile Toot Gayi. I definitely think they could have done a little better with the choreography, but whatever was given to Kiara Advani, she did a fabulous job. I think she definitely is a good dancer, and I think of course she carried all the clothes. Like she looked so beautiful. Like all the clothes at the first air hostess dress that she wore was so cute. I loved the air hostess hat along with the, you know, dress. That was awesome. I liked her in the sari. I liked all the dresses that she wore here. She looked really super beautiful here and gorgeous. I like the steps. I liked Aditya Seal in that neon t-shirt and pants. He looked really good. And he's a great dancer. I think they should use him more in dance numbers because I think he will do a great job. So yeah, overall the song was quirky, nice, little mellow, but it's good. The beats are really good, and I think I will get used to this song more and more and more. So yeah, I like it. I'll throw thumbs up for this song. If you guys enjoyed my reaction to this, then please put a thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. Let me know what you thought about this song, what you thought about my reaction. Subscribe for more such music video reactions, and don't forget to share the love. Until then, ciao.